So if you wanted to learn generative AI, you will be confused about from where to start and what to learn. This confusion is because of it is a very rapid growth and so many updates and so many things are happening across the globe. If you search like how to learn generative AI on YouTube, so you will be getting a lot of YouTube videos and crash courses by saying that learn machine learning, deep learnings, and neural networks, RAG, and some people says that learn the image generation tools and lot of tools they will bunch together and they will be creating a content on generative AI crash courses or something. Because of these too many things, you will be getting confused from where to start and how to start based on your career interests and your learning path. In this generative AI learning space, there are no specific universal roadmap actually, and too much information and too many things are flooded up into the social medias and so many content creators. So, what is the truth? Do you really need to learn everything? The answer is no. You don't need to learn everything. So, in this video, I will try to explain from where to start and how you can become master in generative AI space based on your career interests and your learning goals. Hello guys, this is Nabi and welcome to my channel Nabi AI Studio. I will be explaining the AI tech concepts and AI latest updates in very simple and easy manner which can be understandable by the all age groups. If you like my content, please subscribe, like and share to your family and friends. So without further delay, let's jump to the video. Before we go into the much details, first you need to understand what is the importance of AI in today's competitive world. Why all nations, organizations are running behind it. If you don't know what it is and why it is, let's try to learn and know these things at the earliest. Else you will be out of the market and you will be regret after some time. And your career will be in problematic. Whatever field you are, you would be in either doctor, engineer, teacher, or student, whatever it would be, you must know about the some minimum basics on AI and you need to be better up to date on the global wise what updates are happening on the AI landscape, which will be definitely improve your existency and which will be keep you in the front line from your colleagues and friends. If you see most of companies, they are encouraging all their employees to be learn on the AI. So better start today and define your interests and your goals. Based on that, you can start your learning space on it. Nowadays, there is no field without AI existency. Better start learning based on your career interests and which field you are, and accordingly, you can start learning your generative AI learning space. Generally, we can define as a three clear paths. If you are a non-coder and you are much interested towards on a creative field, then you can choose on the creator path. If you are a coder, you are much interested on the AI research things and all, then you can choose the model builder path. If you are a coder and you wanted to leverage the AI things and all into your day-to-day job, but you are not much interested towards the AI researching things and all, then you can choose AI engineering one. Most of the software engineer industry people can learn AI engineering space. That can be understand when we go on the detail level each one by one. First, let's see AI creators. As I said previously, if you are a non-coder but you are much interested on the creative field, like if you are a content creator or YouTuber, freelancer, whatever it would be, so this path would be for you. A lot of AI tools are there. You can leverage those and you can improve your content creations. This doesn't require you to learn the coding. You no need to build the AI tools actually in this one. In this journey, mostly you will be focusing on learning of different tools, how you can leverage those tools to improve your creativity and to generate much content creation. For instance, by using the chat GPT for the text generation, and if you wanted to create a animated videos by using the AI, then you can use the Mid Journey, Runway, or Higgs Fields. And if suppose if you wanted to create any audio video, any audio files, you can use the 11 labs. So a lot of tools are available. You need to be get hands on the each tools, and you need to be think like a which tool can be much helpful. So no-code background people can have a look into the agentic AI automation with the help of no-code tools, also such as Zapier, N8, and Make. Let's say suppose user wants to book a cheapest flight ticket for the specific date, which is not a monsoon. In this scenario, so user generally connects to the travel agent, and travel agent will be go through the multiple websites, and he will be finding the cheapest flight based on the specific date, which is not a monsoon, and he will be providing that booking details to the user. So in this scenario, you can eliminate this manual process like searching the multiple websites and booking. So you can automate this one with the help of AI no code tools. You can create a workflows on this automation one, and you can provide this workflow directly to user, or you can directly give this workflow to the travel agent. So in this way, you can market your skill. This is the one instance, and like this, will be having a multiple instances where you can create multiple AI automation workflows with the help of no-code tools, and you can market those workflows directly to the customer. For this, you don't require coding skill. By leveraging these all wide varieties of AI tools, you can improve your productivity and content creation. Create a content like reels, thumbnails, and video add-ons, and you can create a workflows and automation tools. You can boost the social media productivity. Also, you can automate your client deliverables on time. The second path is like a model builders. If you are innovator and you are much interested on the, you wanted to create your own AI models, and you are a core coder, you are very curious on AI research things and all, then this path is for you. For this one, you need to be learn the lot of things like machine learning, deep learning. Python is a very basic one. Math foundations, exploration of transformers, PyTorch, and so many libraries you need to be explore, and you need to be do a lot of research things and all. So with these all learnings, you can create your own AI models based on your interest and your career paths. You can fine tune LLM models. You can do the AI research on models, but this takes a lot of time, and this requires a long term commitment, as I said. So maybe 2 to 3 years mostly. But the benefit is you can create your own AI models according to your needs, and market also, and organization also pays very well on this one. So in a one point, I can say this is kind of core level AI engineer into the deep dive of generation of LLM models. The another and final path is suitable for most of software engineers across the all platforms whoever is working on. It could be either SAP, or it could be either big data, or data BBAs, test engineers and managers, whatever it would be the field. So they have to be learned on this path. So if you are a developer and coder, but not much, don't have a time on the AI research things and all. But if you wanted to build something on your applications by using this AI, LLM things and all, so this is the right path for you. Also, if you are a startup builder, and if you wanted to integrate the AI LLM models and AI things into your application and deploy into the production for the real world business solutions, this path is for you. The key skills for this one is you need to be minimum basic understanding of the Python. Also, you need to be learn RAG, vector database, LangChain, LangGraph, how to build AI agents, agentic AI things. You need to be understand the working model of MCP, how you can create a MCP things and all for the development. These are all things you need to be understand. And the another basic one is you need to be mastering the API integrations. Because AI agents and agentic applications are mostly integration with the APIs with respect to the applications. So with these learnings, you can build like a chatbots which can you can integrate with your application, and create some knowledge assistants, develop AI copilots. Also, you can solve your real world business solutions. Let's say suppose if you are doing repetitive job on day to day, so you can do that automation with these learnings. So you no need to build any specific models. Here you can leverage the models, and you can integrate these model frameworks into your application, which can work very efficiently and much faster in autonomous way. So as I explained the three paths based on your interest and your career paths, you need to be decide on which path you wanted to go, and accordingly you need to be start working and learning things. So conclusion is you don't need to be learn everything. You need to be choose your path. If you are creator, learn AI tools. If you are researcher, then learn deep learning, ML, neural networks, those things. If you are a basic coder, but you are not much into the AI research things and all, then learn RAG agents and API things and all. But Python is very much basic, is required. So stop being confused and start being focused. Choose the AI path that matches to your personal or career growth. If you are into the other fields than the software engineer, then I can suggest on the try to be on updates on AI space by following any of the YouTubes or news things and all. Learn AI tools, but I'm sure that one or another AI tools definitely will help in your workable field, like a chat GPT. So that's all for today's guys. I hope it given some clarity to you on what to learn at your areas of interest and for your career growth. If it really helps to you, please drop a comment. It helps. Also, let me know which AA path you have been choosing. If you like my content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please share it to your family and friends who are looking to learn on the generative AI space. But one thing I will conclude that AI is in every field. Everyone must know and must learn some another AI tool if they wanted to be in number one position in their current field. So, based on my experience and understanding, these are the different the three paths I can categorize. So, if you have any thoughts on it, please let me know in comments. Thank you. Signing off. We'll catch you up in another informative video. Bye.